The Airbike looks like a motorcycle, but hints at flight. What if your next motorcycle didn't just ride, but hinted at soaring through the air? Meet the Volonaut Airbike, also known as the Airvolt, where electric speed meets futuristic ambition. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and cruises comfortably at 107 miles per hour, powered by a pure electric AC motor and lithium-ion phosphate batteries. Its titanium cage, carbon fiber, and Kevlar body keep it light but tough, ready to perform and built to last. The base model gets up to 51 miles of range in economy mode, or 21 in full-throttle street riding. Upgrade to the Deluxe, and you're looking at 162 miles economy or 53 miles on the street. Dual alloy wheels, advanced suspension, and a fully enclosed aerodynamic design make handling smooth and sharp. With aircraft-style LEDs, halogen headlights, a full set of digital gauges, and a 10-year parts warranty, this machine looks and feels ahead of its time. It's not road-approved yet, but the Airbike isn't just a ride. It's a bold look at what the future of personal transportation could become.